Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petracca with your beach and boating forecast for both Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's first start with the wind on Tuesday, which is still rather brisk. So what we have here is generally it's a small craft advisory across Narragansett Bay and Rhode Island Sound, but south of Block Island, it's actually a gale warning. So these winds are sustained winds in miles per hour. Let's put this into motion. We'll start things off. And it's essentially a northeast wind all day long. I'm going to start off at 5 o'clock in the morning. And you can see the offshore winds are rather brisk here. And you can see this is about 10 o'clock in the morning. And we're looking at sustained at about 15 to 20 along the south shore. But you get out towards Block Island and offshore, these winds are sustained 25, even 30 miles per hour. So that's where the gale warning is located. Jump ahead now to Tuesday afternoon, about 2 o'clock, still with that northeast wind, generally 15 to 20 along the coastline and the lower part of Narragansett Bay, but still in the mid to upper 20s in sustained wind out on the islands and out towards Block Island. As we move ahead to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, northeast, again 15 to 20 and a bit higher offshore. And then here we are 7 o'clock on Tuesday evening, and still with that brisk northeast wind. So again, small craft advisory, but south of Block Island, it is a gale warning. All right, beaches for Tuesday, generally it's mostly cloudy, especially in the morning. Be a little brightening in the afternoon. Could be a few sprinkles early in the morning, but it's mainly dry. Any sun would be partial and probably later in the afternoon. Actually, water temperature is warmer than the air temperature. Still some rough surf, running about a 7 to 9 foot surf on the beaches. Base forecast for Tuesday. Visibility is generally 1 to 3 miles in the early morning hours, so maybe a few sprinkles early, but generally dry. That northeast wind 10 to 15, but we're gusting up to 25 knots. Small craft advisory in effect. Now we jump ahead to Wednesday, and bottom line, it is a brighter day, finally. Sunshine, beaches are dry. Air temperature in the mid-60s, still a moderate risk of rips, though the surf not quite as strong, running at about 5 to 7 feet. Bay forecast for Wednesday, still northeast at 10 to 15, gusting to 20 knots. Visibility unlimited, high tide at Newport Harbor on Wednesday, coming in early in the morning at 6:30. So wrapping it up, rather windy but drier on Tuesday, brighter, a bit of less wind on Wednesday. With afternoon temperatures kind of cool, generally in the mid-60s.